For businesses operating in demanding environments, keeping your equipment safe is paramount. Today, we're looking at the Micronics SPC-T100 splash-proof cover, designed specifically for the TSP-100 and TSP-650 series printers. If you're running a busy kitchen, a bustling bar, or any environment where liquids and airborne particles are common, this cover could be a lifesaver for your printer. The SPC-T100 is all about protection. It's built to shield your TSP-100 or TSP-650 printer from accidental spills, splashes, and even dust or food particles that can wreak havoc on sensitive electronics. This is especially crucial in the food service industry, where a stray splash of sauce or a bit of flour dust can quickly lead to printer malfunctions and costly downtime. The cover is made from a durable, clear plastic material. This allows you to easily see the printer's status lights and monitor paper levels without having to remove the cover constantly. The clear design also maintains the printer's visibility, which is important in customer-facing environments. Installation is straightforward. The SPC-T100 is designed to fit snugly over the TSP-100 and TSP-650 models, providing a secure barrier against potential hazards. It's a simple, no-fuss solution that can be implemented quickly, minimizing disruption to your business operations. While the SPC-T100 offers excellent splash protection, it's important to note that it's not fully waterproof. It's designed to handle splashes and spills, but it's not intended for submersion or direct exposure to heavy rain. However, for most kitchen and bar environments, it provides ample protection against the most common hazards. The cover also doesn't impede the printer's functionality. Paper loading and receipt dispensing remain easy and accessible. The design ensures that you can continue to use your printer efficiently without any significant changes to your workflow. In terms of value, the SPC-T100 is a relatively inexpensive investment that can potentially save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars in printer repairs or replacements. Considering the cost of a new printer and the downtime associated with printer failures, the splash-proof cover is a worthwhile addition for any business using TSP-100 or TSP-650 printers in challenging environments. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to protect your Micronics TSP-100 or TSP-650 printer from the hazards of a busy environment, the SPC-T100 splash-proof cover is definitely worth considering. It's a small investment that can provide significant peace of mind and help keep your business running smoothly.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.